lives. We walk with the same sin that the Lord has already forgiven. We walk with the lies. We walk with the malice. We walk with the pride. We walk with the envy. We walk with the rebellion. We walk with the fornication. We walk with all manner of stuff. And the Lord already grants us forgiveness. We walk with the guilt. And the Lord is just saying, just set up some praises unto him. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. The kind of joy as described in Psalms 16 and verse 11 can only be ours when we receive God's forgiveness in our lives. Hallelujah. 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 We can only receive it when we position ourselves to receive it.